Hi friends, a warm welcome to all of you. Today we are going to study a very important part of the lesson mathematical logic, and that is truth table. So before we start, I request all of you, please revise that tables for more than 10 times so that you can understand and you can use that tables wherever required. So I'm going to start it. Please have note of it. Okay, first truth table is for and, that is conjunction. So I have constructed the table over here. If P is true, Q is true, then what is the meaning of the compound statement P and Q? That would be definitely true. That means truth value of and is true if both are true. Okay. If first is true, second is false, then it would be false. If first is false, second is true, then it would be true. And if both are false, no doubt it is, I'm sorry. And if both are false, then definitely it would be false. Okay. Chalo. Next, truth table for OR condition, that is disjunction. P or Q, T or T is T. T or F is T. F or T is T. But F or F, no doubt it is F. Next, conditional. If then P implies Q, T implies T, the truth value of this pattern is T. If T implies F, then it would be false. F implies T is T, and F implies F is T. Okay. And now table for biconditional. P implies and implied by Q. So T implies and implied by T. T. TF F. FT F. FF T. Let's revise this table. And how will you remember this table in one line? And table is true if both are true, otherwise false. Remember this sentence. And is true if both are true, otherwise it is false. Or is false if both are false, otherwise it is true. Conditional is false if first is true, second is false, then it is false, otherwise it is true. And biconditional is true if both statements have same truth value, that is TT FF. So this is how you remember the entire concept of truth value. Okay.